is tickling.
Sharks, sawfish, and many other marine species use estuaries as nurseries because of the bountiful supply of food and protection from predators. Because fish populations are directly tied to water quality, sharks are directly affected by the Everglades restoration efforts taking place in the 10,000 Island watershed to the north of the reserve.
The restoration of the Picayune Strand is the reason why I'm studying fishes and sharks downstream. So this restoration project will reduce canal flow into the estuary, benefiting the fish and the invertebrates and the ecosystem downstream. The water will stay in the watershed longer, slowly percolating through our limestone substrate, recharging the aquifer down below, which everyone in South Florida draws their water from. And there will also be small freshwater pond areas left up there which will benefit wildlife in the upland part of the watershed.
In order to gain an understanding of sharks' use of these estuaries as nurseries and how their population respond to changes in the watershed, Rookery Bay Reserve staff and citizen scientists began collecting shark population information on a monthly basis more than 15 years ago. This is one of the first studies ever to address the efforts of restoration on shark populations.
Sharks are the top predators in most aquatic ecosystems. So if they're in decline or their populations are changing, that could mean there's an underlying cause that needs to be investigated. I study 3 distinct back bay estuarine systems. One receives too much fresh water, one receives too little fresh water, and the third is receiving a fair amount through a natural system, the Fakahatchee Strand, and I use that as a reference or a control site.
Scientists hope to learn more about sharks by documenting the different species found in each location to determine how they react to changes in their environment. This kind of information can help guide management activities in the watershed for the benefits of sharks, all wildlife, and the community.
Speak up.